How to reasonably plan and manage the environment of the processing workshop. First, the functional areas of the processing workshop should be clearly defined. Divide the production, office, living, and other areas. Ensure that each area has clear boundaries and ownership. Secondly, the workshop space should be reasonably planned according to production needs. While meeting production needs, the space should be fully utilized. Improve space utilization, and then we must do a good job in managing the workshop environment, including hygiene management, safety management, equipment management, etc. Hygiene management must ensure that the workshop is clean, dust-free, and sterile. Safety management must ensure the safety of personnel and equipment. Equipment management must ensure the normal operation of equipment, repair and replace faulty equipment in a timely manner. Finally, we need to strengthen the planning and management of the workshop environment by formulating a workshop environment management system, establishing an environmental monitoring mechanism. Ensure that the workshop environment is always kept in the best condition.